guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you if you have a bad Disa valve on Bmw E46, how to replace that. Okay, that's what we'll be doing today guys. It should help you on the generation from year 1998 to year 2006. We guys have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let's start on it now. So once you guys open the hood of your Bmw E46, let me explain now. This is your air filter box. Past the air filter box, this is a MAF sensor intake boot. Next to the intake boot, right here on the intake manifold guys, okay, on that intake manifold right here guys, this is your Disa valve. Okay, that's what it looks like. You have one wiring for it, but in order to get to it, we have a hidden bolt underneath, so we'll need to remove that hose and it will be in the way. We will not be able to remove it without removing the intake boot, and this boot is a weak spot. They go bad. We will show you guys how ours is broken and we'll go ahead and buy a new boot as well, and all that will be listed in the description of the video below. So we need to disconnect the wire now. There is one spring that you press in on the back, pull it out, okay, like that. Now pull that hose out. Perfect. Next guys, okay, right there is one clamp. Ours is not too tight, so we got it loose by hand, but you can use the ratchet. Okay, we dropped our tool, but we got it loose. The only way to remove that one is you need to actually disconnect the sensor first, right here. Okay, like that. Now the intake boot, we pull it out. Cover your intake so you don't drop any tool guys inside, because if you forget about it, you don't notice it, you'll go in the engine and you can ruin your engine. So we'll need to get a Torx 40 star looking bit. Okay, like the one right here. And we're going to go ahead and remove the screws, the bolts. There is two of them, one underneath right there. Okay, and it's actually, maybe actually Torx, let me see, this is Torx 30, so we need probably Torx 40 for this one. So we got the correct two, Torx 40, we accidentally got Torx 30 before. Once you get it loose, you will go by hand. Okay, that's what the bolt looks like. Now we're supposed to have one more like that. So we have a second bolt now. It's supposed to be with Torx 40, but actually it's 10mm because somebody lost the bolt, so we have to go ahead and remove that one too. So just getting it loose now. Now this thing, you need to turn it guys, one way. It goes a special way so we can pull it out. Okay, just like that. So this is guys the old Disa valve. Okay, those do fail and you have to replace it if it does guys. You can find listed in the description of the video below to see where we get ours from. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.